Welcome to day 7 of the Big Spring Clean sale at Tonic Studios, where you can enjoy exclusive craft bundles at outstanding prices added daily through till Easter Monday. First in today's bundle is a Sensational greyboard and craft card bundle, including 4 packs of A4 greyboard and 4 packs of A4 brown craft card. This construction selection is available at 50% off. Next we have our Nouveau Glimmer paste selection with 7 pots of this dazzling textured medium available at 80% off. Complementing the Glimmer paste bundle, we have an essential stencil selection containing 5 modern designs that create beautiful backgrounds. Finally, our die deal of the day is the Lattice Lily Pillow Bag die set at 60% off. This unique set creates elegant bags effortlessly. That's your day 7 deals. As always, these are limited edition bundles, so check back daily to avoid missing out on the best deals Tonic has to offer.